Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got free Teslas. Today we got the Tesla Cybertruck, which I finally have it in my collection. Next we got the Tesla Roadster with Starman, pretty cool. Next we got the Tesla Model S in a nice blue color. So the first one we're gonna open is the Tesla Cybertruck. Let's take a look at this beautiful car. Take a closer look at this because I really love it. Oh my god, guys. So here is a look at the Tesla Cybertruck. Just take a look at the Cybertruck right here on the rotator. If we take a look at the Cybertruck, it's got some pretty cool, nice chrome on the body of the car. It's also got some pretty cool little back fenders at the back, on the back of the car with these cool lines on it. It's also got some nice headlights too. Pretty big car with a nice, also triangle kind of tip on the top of the car. It also has some pretty cool little lights on the front, which makes this car look pretty cool. That's why I really like it. The car's pretty cool. But yeah. Next car we have is the Tesla Roadster with Starman. Take a look. Open it. Ooh, here it is. Wow, look at that. So we put it here, then we can take a look. Is that this car has a pretty cool thing on it. It's got this cool spaceman on the car. It also has the Tesla Roadster logo on it too. And also has this cool little clear headlights and those cool little rims that look like knives kind of to me. It got this nice bright red color with these nice temples on the back. It has a little signature too on it, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool Roadster. Okay, let's take a look at the next car. Last car, Tesla Model S. Take a look at it. Here it is. Let's take a look at it. So if we take a look at this Tesla Model S, it's got this pretty nice kind of ocean dark royal blue on it, which has got some pretty cool tampos at the back, which says Tesla, and it's also got the Tesla logo with some nice gray rims that really fit the car, which I think this car looks pretty cool. And it also got some nice tampos on the front of the car with those headlight tampos. It also has like a little design here of the headlights too. And also got the Tesla logo on it too. It's also got a nice spoiler at the back. But yeah, pretty cool. So yeah. But yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. And yeah. Bye.